Hello, my people. How are they? Plenty story there. Chief played an away match, and he's blaming the repercussion on the wife because his John Thomas does not rise again. Guys, I want you to watch till the end to see why Chief should have a rethink. Guys, remember to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Chifeze, never reach like that. Chifeze, that's why you are telling me, please. If not because of this, because why would you be here?
Hey, God knows I am innocent. I can't hurt you.
You know King Solomon?
Yes.
About 700 wives. Because of only one, she damaged me. She left me like this. I cannot perform.
What make you think say na this woman? She's the reason why your odogwu not dey work. My people don't know as they be, or know as they go. I dey here with Madam Nneka. Omo, as I'm talking to you now, there is fire on the mountain. I want make she narrate what she tell me. See, I want you to look to the camera and tell them exactly what you told me. No comment anything from inside.
My brother, thank you. I come here to make you help me. You see, as I talk to you like this, my load, the outside our compound. What's why don't carry my things put for outside? Because they accuse me for waiting God no say I no do. He say you don't when they walk against and I make cause am. Why I go want harm am? Why I go want do bad thing for my husband?
Okay, when you say odogwu, what do you mean by odogwu? I don't really.
Na John Thomas now. You know they walk again. That's what he talk.
How long?
For 7 months now. If I go feel remember, I discover say my husband they get a marital affairs. Now I can't go meet the side chick. Say husband women I don't they suffer for 15 years. When I they do everything wey wife do for man. What did he come they go find for outside? As I can't go meet the girl like this, my brother, not be small fight though. Because I don't follow my husband suffer. So why another woman will come begin the reap where he knows so? Me and that lady will fight and I make sure say I design him body. My brother, now I can't notice say my husband come find out say me I don't know. As the time when the lady self come find out say my husband don't marry, and he talk say my husband not tell am say he don't marry. Now my husband John Thomas no come dey work again. Your odogwu no come dey stand up again. I go tell my husband say I no go fit do anything wey go make am we two no go enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
My husband no come gree come carry my things where I never go to find solution because he concern me sef.
Yeah, exactly.
Na the joy of marriage be that now. I don't go crusade. I don't go night vigil. Pastor don't come house come pray. I don't try and I tell my husband say me sef I don't even try my possible best to make it better for her. My husband no gree. I want make you help me go beg my husband.
So now your husband thinks say now you make that your dog not dey work because you found that he was cheating on you.
Because I say me I find out say that me be the person wey do and why I go do something
But
like
wait,
that.
but how did you find out that your husband was having an affair?
You know say we woman now we fit read in between the lines. I just notice say you know they spend much time with me like they do before. Now one day when they come out, now my follow am for back and you no know. As I don't see who be the girl and where the girl they stay. The day when my husband dey house, now I go meet the girl for where he dey. I might give her the beating of her life. Now she can't talk say she no know say my husband don't marry.
And how long your husband and this girl don dey date?
That when I talk to the girl say don't spend 5 years of her life with my husband. Now be saying now 10 years after our marriage, now my husband start this guy thing.
I want you to tell me, because before I go involve myself for this matter, I want you to tell me the truth, nothing but the truth. Are you the reason why your husband odogwu, Abina, John Thomas or whatever you call it, not the work?
Hey, my brother, I no fit do that kind of thing.
Sure.
You know say na the thing where they make marriage dey sweet now. If I do that kind of thing, now myself I dey punish. I no fit do am. I don dey waka from church to church, from prayer to prayer. They beg them make they go do
the way you're talking, you're not even being like, you're not feeling. I don't see that emotion for your eyes. I'm suspecting you. Yes.
My brother.
They suppose they cry by now. They talk say Your husband won't pursue for more for you. How long have you guys been married?
My brother.
How long have you guys been married?
We don't get married for 15 years.
For 15 years, and now your husband don't ask you. The reason why he came to me is because your husband don't put your things for outside.
You're not even
talking as if you are in pain. Like you're not. You know they talk like they talk like woman way. Your husband won't pursue come up for us. So I want you to tell me for the last time, please. Hope say you are not the reason why your husband penis not dey rise again.
My brother, I no fit do that. I love my husband. Husband with me and I don't get married for 15 years.
Is he around?
It be like so.
Well, let's go to your house. Let's go and see him.
I beg, help me beg.
Go. There's nothing I can do. I'm not be
am.
lawyer. I'm not be police.
I love this man. I love this man. What can I never do for him? I don't feel lose this man because I love him. Now the joy of my heart. That's women I don't date since.
So,
am I pleased with this? Oh,
what be your husband name?
now Chief Ezen, but they call him Chief. Now my load date there.
Wow, you don't really put your load outside.
Let me beg him.
Hello, who is there? Hello?
I love him, I don't feel harm, I don't feel
Hello,
anything to hurt.
good afternoon, Chief. Yeah. My name is Tio Ayoms. My name is Tio Ayoms. I'm a human rights activist and also.
You're not a police.
No. I'm a human rights activist.
To go and call police.
At least.
My name is Tio Ayoms. I'm a human rights activist. I'm also a content creator. Please, can you open the gate? Let me come.
Open gate for you. I'm not afraid of anybody. Come inside. But she's not entering my house.
That's the reason why I'm here, yes, sir. That's the reason.
You know I cannot hurt you. I will not do anything to hurt you.
So what is it?
My love.
I don't know why she left her luggages here.
Please now.
She's supposed to have been out of my house. I don't know why. I don't know. You said you went to call police for me, yo.
My love, I will not do anything to hurt you. God knows I am innocent. I can't hurt you. You know I love you so much.
Has she told you what she did?
She told me everything. How everything started. How she found out that you were cheating on her. How she went over to your side chick's house to fight her. And she said ever since that time, excuse me, but I just have to tell your
You told the world, Abby.
Hey.
You've told the world now. You've told the world.
I did not. I'm only looking for solution.
My brother.
I am innocent.
Do you read Bible? Do you know King Solomon?
Yes.
About 700 wives with 300 concubines. Because of only one, will I call it concubine? She damaged me.
You know I will not
a whole me. She left me like this. I cannot perform. I don't know what I did.
See, with all due respect, Chief
Eze.
With all due respect, Chief Eze. If I'm not mistaken, she told me that you guys have been married for good 15 years. You know this woman past me. You know this woman past any other person.
You know now.
Nothing make you think say that this woman, she's the reason why your odogwu not dey work.
Why wouldn't I think? When she has gone to fight her, when she has started quarreling and saying that she will deal with me.
Protecting what is mine.
She will deal. How else will you deal with a man? Tell me, my brother. I have sense. I'm wise. How else will you deal with a man if not him internally?
Chief, you know she was trespassing.
Have you gone to hospital for checkup and all that to see?
What am I doing in the hospital when I cannot perform?
When I go check you now.
Check me out.
The reason why.
Suddenly, she attacked her, came back, threatened, he stopped. He said it's hospital that will tell me that.
Chief, I'm innocent.
You're innocent.
You know I can't harm you. I was only protecting what is mine.
I don't know what you are doing here. Please.
Chief, all these years, because
I'm just
Chifeze, never reach like that. Chifeze,
That's why you are. This is why you are still telling me. Please. If not because of this, because why would you be here? Broadcasting me to the world.
The reason why we are here is we will find solution for this thing.
Please, leave my house. Leave my house.
Never
Just respect yourself and leave my house. Please.
See, you ask her to leave your house now, and
I cannot leave the house with. Let me be, please. Please.
They're talking. You caused this for you. You caused this
My
for
friend, why are you talking to me like this?
You caused them. Don't cause that for yourself now.
How?
You have a wife and you get side chick.
And I told you. Did I not tell you? It's because of one lady.
This side chick you're talking about. How long were you guys together?
I don't know.
Was it up to 4 years? Was it up to 5 years?
Something like that.
You have to be specific. How long were you guys?
4 or 5 years. Maybe 5 years. I think so.
She knows you don't marry that time. Did you tell her you were married?
I don't think. I don't have to.
I'm innocent.
You don't have to. So when she found out, what was the reason? What could happen?
She went to fight her and I fought with her.
How was her reaction with you when she found out say you have a wife?
Yes, she was annoyed. Who won't be? She was annoyed.
What if the side chick is responsible for this?
How come?
I'm innocent.
There's only one way for us to find out. Let us go and meet her and ask her. What if she's the reason why your odogwu not they go up or not the rise?
I don't find solution. No, I'm innocent. I don't find solution.
No, I can't. She can't do anything like that.
I don't know, men. I don't know why men are like this. Your wife, you have been married to her for good 15 years. You don't respect her. You dey fight her. You dey pursue her for her. But side chick wey you meet less than 4 5 years, you can't even go and confront her. Let us go and confront her. Let us know. Since you say you don't go hospital, since you are very sure, because I know that you are a chief and you be son of the soil. You know how this thing works. So let us go and meet this woman. We'll talk to her. We'll ask her.
I'm innocent. I can't hurt you. I can't harm you. I'm innocent. I've been looking for solution for you. Be better for you, not better for me.
Okay, let's go.
So now that Chief has agreed to confront the woman that he had been dating for 5 years, let's watch out to see what would happen if the solution to his problem could be found meeting this woman. It has become interesting. This particular video has become interesting to see the end of the whole matter. And I think that woman should have solution to Chief's predicament. Guys, I want you to click at the card up here if the update is available to watch the part 2, more like the part 2 of this whole thing. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.